These battery-powered pruning shears cut through tree branches with a click of the finger. This innovative chain handsaw cuts down a grown tree in less than 10 seconds. A metal washer and a marker are used to make the perfect cut to fit an uneven wall. These stabilizing brackets allow you to patch a hole without having to find a stud. When drilled into, this chemical anchor expands and fastens a metal rod into concrete. This flooring tool uses nails at a 45-degree angle to lock in floorboards quickly and easily. A handheld electric tool easily strips a series of huge wires in just seconds. This malleable tow bar can tow a car with no chains, fasteners, or human needed. An expandable and portable conveyor belt delivers packages in a fast and easy way. This automatic tape cutter cuts the same size tape tab every single time. This socket wrench removes hard-to-reach bolts with a mere twist of the wrist. This cutter tool creates the illusion of real brick on a flat slab of wet concrete. This motorized log splitter uses a metal beak in a circular motion to divide a stump. This small clip uses heat to seal bags that couldn't otherwise be closed. A gigantic handsaw can cut through a thick log in seconds. This automatic drywall tape machine quickly tapes off all corners at a rapid pace. This flexible drill attachment enables you to access screws in impossible-to-reach places. These tile pros set floor tiles super quickly thanks to their tile spacing jig tool. A shedding blade is used to groom a horse very efficiently. This guy attached a handheld brush to a drill to clean grease off this garage floor. This welding tool uses a laser beam to attach two pieces of metal together. This bricklayer uses a brick cutting machine to cut them perfectly to fit. A tiny remote control aircraft tug relocates a plane with ease. This mechanical trencher digs a perfectly cut hole into solid concrete. Tons of ping pong balls are picked up in seconds by simply pressing down. This machine uses friction and heat in order to reattach broken plastic materials. A bale of hay is secured thanks to a trailer with a giant metal circular claw. This slanted truck plow tool makes moving construction cones very safe and easy. First, this tool scoops the materials and then flips them into a bag for easy transport.